Hey guys, I wanted to create a quick video on a simple fix for oily skin. Now the absolute worst thing you could do is use cleansers and start scrubbing this oil on your face because you can end up damaging it. The skin is very delicate and you want to understand what's causing this problem, what's underneath it. And it's actually an internal problem. There's all these little glands in your face, they're called sebaceous glands, and they're making the oil, which is called sebum, okay? So the sebum is the actual oil that comes out. So the question is, why are these glands overactive? Well, it has to do with a production of a hormone called androgen. So androgens are being produced too much. And androgen is a male hormone. So in a female body, there are two glands that make androgens. One would be the ovary, and the other is the adrenal gland, okay? So now, the quick fix for oily skin would be to take zinc, because zinc lowers androgens. But we want to take it one step further and find out why would your body be making too much androgens. And there's really two main causes. One, it's an overactive adrenal gland. Now, what is an adrenal gland? It's a stress gland. It sits on top of your kidneys. You have two of them. And so if there's stress involved, if you're under constant stress, that's probably what's causing an overactive adrenal gland, which is producing too much androgens. In that case, you have to remove the source of stress. Now, the other reason would be insulin. Insulin converts to androgens, okay? Now, insulin is a carbohydrate hormone, and that's triggered by sugar and frequent eating, and especially if you're a pre-diabetic. And that's why women that have polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS or PCOD, same thing, have facial hair, oily skin, belly fat because of the androgen spike, because the insulin is too high. Okay, so in that situation, you would want to lower the sugar and decrease the frequency of eating. I put a little link down below of how to do that. But there's another great remedy to help balance estrogen, and it's called DIM. I put a link down below to get some more data on this, but DIM is a super concentrated blend of cruciferous vegetables. That would be like kale, broccoli, radish, cauliflower, those type of vegetables. So not only does DIM lower androgens, but it also balances estrogens. Now, when I mean lower androgens, I'm talking about lowering it to a normal level, not extremely low where you don't have any more, because even men take DIM to help support their prostates, because a lot of times that could be a high level of estrogen. So DIM is just great to help balance certain hormones. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press the button below and I will keep you in the know. Hey, that rhymes.